Hey everyone, and welcome. Ever wished your WooCommerce customers could grab a slick, professional PDF of your entire store catalog? Like imagine browsing offline on a beach, sipping a Mai Tai, and still shopping. Okay, maybe not the Mai Tai part while reading a catalog, but you get the idea. It's all about convenience. In this course, WooCommerce Store Catalog PDF, your ultimate guide, will dive deep into creating and customizing downloadable PDF catalogs for your WooCommerce store. No coding headaches, I promise. We'll be using the awesome plugin which makes the whole process a breeze. Think beautiful product images, detailed descriptions, accurate pricing, everything your customers need, neatly packaged in a downloadable PDF. We'll explore different layouts, customization options, and even how to target specific product categories. So, whether you're selling handmade jewelry or heavy-duty power tools, you can tailor your catalog to perfection. This isn't just a cool feature, it's a powerful marketing tool. Think increased brand awareness, improved customer experience, and yes, even boosted sales. Over the next 4 videos, we'll cover everything from plugin installation and basic setup to advanced customization and troubleshooting. By the end, you'll be a PDF catalog pro. In the next video, we'll jump right in and install the plugin. Don't worry, it's easier than assembling IKEA furniture, mostly. So hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to take your WooCommerce store to the next level with downloadable PDF catalogs.